Welcome back to Bike Review Hub, your destination for the latest bike reviews and two-wheeled news. Today, we are diving into a scooter that's far from ordinary, the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560. This isn't your typical city commuter, it's where luxury, performance, and practicality meet in one sleek machine. Design and style. The 2025 TMAX 560 carries forward Yamaha's signature sporty Maxi scooter design, but with refined updates that give it a more aggressive and premium look. From the sharp LED headlights and aerodynamic front fairing to the stylish rear section, the TMAX doesn't just blend in, it stands out. With premium color options and a clean, modern finish, this scooter turns heads wherever it goes. Engine and performance. Under the stylish bodywork lies a 562 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth yet punchy power. With around 47 horsepower, the TMAX is built for high-speed cruising and confident overtakes, not just city zipping. The CVT transmission ensures seamless acceleration, making it perfect for both urban traffic and open highways. It's fast, responsive, and surprisingly fun to ride. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is where the TMAX really shines. With a plush, well-contoured seat, upright riding position, and advanced suspension setup, long rides feel effortless. The aluminum chassis provides impressive stability, and the motorcycle-style forks and rear shock help it corner with precision. It handles more like a sport touring bike than a traditional scooter, and that's a good thing. Features and technology. The 2025 model is packed with modern tech. It includes a full-color 7-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and a premium keyless ignition system. Yamaha's smart key system, traction control, ride modes, and a top-notch ABS braking system give the rider total control and confidence on any ride. There's even an electronically adjustable windscreen for added comfort. Storage and practicality. For daily use, the TMAX scores high. It offers decent underseat storage, enough for a full-face helmet and more. There are also glove compartments for quick access items. Combine that with excellent fuel efficiency and a 15-liter fuel tank, and you've got a scooter that's both powerful and practical for everyday life or weekend getaways. The 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560 is the ultimate maxi scooter, blending the ease of a scooter with the soul of a motorcycle. It's premium, performance-oriented, and loaded with features that justify its higher price tag. If you're looking for a serious commuter that doesn't compromise on power, comfort, or style, the TMAX 560 deserves a spot on your list. That's it for today's review on the 2025 Yamaha TMAX 560. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Bike Review Hub, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride. Got questions or want us to cover another scooter or bike? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.